Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, September 6, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have PayPal. 18 months ago, they had announced they had reached 200 million users. Well, now the number is at 250 million users on its services. And it says that it's growing by 3 million new users a month. So this is pretty good numbers and pretty interesting for PayPal, as this is going to be interesting to see how the growth will go as eBay is trying to actually move away from PayPal payments. So I don't know what's going to happen with that, but at least some good news right now for the PayPal service. As we are waiting for a skip ahead build, Microsoft has released another new fast ring build for the October 2018 update. Build number 17754 was released yesterday for the fast ring. Of course, nothing new, but if you want to have a glimpse of what it looks like and a few little things that I want to talk about, the new stuff that will be in Redstone 5, just check out my review video. It's already online. Firefox Quantum is updated. Mozilla has released a new version of Firefox. Interesting because the same week as Google has updated its browser. Firefox version 62 is out, so if you are using Firefox, update your browser. I will be, of course, talking about this today, so we'll review Firefox 62, talk about what's new. We learned that the PC market has once again grown in the second quarter of this year, and we're wondering what were the factors behind this growth. Well, we are learning that basically the growth is thanks to the business and the education sector. And one of the interesting aspects is that the education sector is actually growing 4.6% year over year. So this is actually good news because a lot of analysts were saying, Chromebooks might be taking the education sector. Well, interesting numbers. It seems that a study is showing that basically after the Cambridge Analytica scandal, it seems that many people have deleted their Facebook app from their phones, and that many people are actually taking a break from the platform. As Facebook has said that they are growing and have still new users, it says the otherwise in what we see in this study, that says a lot of people kind of suddenly noticed that, hey, what the hell are you doing with our private data? And the group that has ditched Facebook the most, 18 to 36 years old. Well, of course, study looking at how malware is spread is saying that unpatched routers around the world are creating a huge network of devices that basically steal personal data, do cryptocurrency mining, and can even be used to attack DNet and do distributed denial of service attacks. And it grows by millions, and you've heard me, millions every week. So this is really something that we need to think about, and especially all these unpatched devices out there. Well, if you were going on Amazon yesterday and trying to find some items, you might have noticed that everything you were searching was just saying that they didn't find anything. Well, there was some kind of weird glitch on the Amazon site yesterday that made it impossible for you to search any products on its webpage. It seems to be back to normal today, but that was kind of weird. The Tor project has released its new version of the Tor browser. Version 8 has been released. It's based on Firefox 60, improves greatly on the experience of browsing the dark web. And so if you are one of those that want to go on the dark web, latest browser apparently improves greatly on the experience. Microsoft has announced that it is changing its update schedule for business. There's so many complaints from businesses that the update schedule is unrealistic and really goes too fast, that basically they are slowing down. Some versions will actually have up to 30 months of support to give businesses time to upgrade their systems. But, as Microsoft, things are always a little weird sometimes. It's kind of difficult to understand exactly what is and what versions will have the support. It's not always clear. And finally, the name of the new iPhone, the flagship iPhone, the biggest one with a apparently possible 6.1 or 6.5 inch screen, will be called the iPhone XS Max. And everyone is wondering what it will be like. And of course, it's expected to be announced in the coming week on September 12th event that I will be, of course, looking at and talking about, because yes, there are people here on this Windows channel that have an iPad or an iPhone. And this was a Tech News Update for Thursday, September 6, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.